Hi everyone, welcome to my video. In today's video I'm going to share with you how to maintenance and open rose packs correctly and display it in your fridge. So let's go. The only three tools you're gonna need for the work is scissors, leaf cleaner and flower cutter or garden cutter. You can find them pretty much everywhere on Amazon or any garden store. It's available and easy to find. One pack usually comes with 25 roses. Sometimes it can be 20, but it's only for large head roses. This one is the regular one, so it comes with 25. As you can see, this is the stem, and the first thing we have to do is to clean the leaves. I use this tool to clean up. You need to go not over the top, but approximately a little bit more than middle of the stem. It's a little bit hard to do at the beginning, and your roses can break over the pressure when you clean up the leaves, and it's totally normal. The speed is going to raise as you get experience, and just take your time and enjoy the process. In this kind of packs, roses come in different lengths and they only have 5 millimeters difference between each other. So the ones that are shorter goes to another side and the ones that are longer goes to one side. It is very important to follow this rule just because it looks better, and it's just a basic floristic rule and it looks more aesthetic and more organized. The first step to accomplish is to clean up all the leaves. It is a very important step because leaves create extra bacteria in water, and it is very important to clean up. As you can already see, I separated long roses from short roses and I opened 2 packs in total, so it's 50 roses. Another thing that you have to do is to cut each stem like this at 45 degrees with garden cutter. So here's the closer example of what you have to do with the stem. It is a very important step because your roses have a new stream and can easier access water for their heads. Another thing to do is to spray rest of the leaves that are left. It is important just because the leaves dry out and it looks better. The last thing to do is to make sure that your water in the tub is very clean and to put them in your fridge display. That's it, and I'll see you in the next video. I hope you enjoyed it, and leave a comment what kind of videos would you like to see, and I'll see you in the next video. See you soon. Bye bye.